Welcome to Healthful Hints, your trusted source for trending healthcare advice on YouTube. Hey everyone, and welcome back to Healthful Hints. Today, we're diving deep into the amazing things that happen to your body when you ditch sugar for just 2 weeks. It's more than just weight loss, folks. Let's get started. Number 1. Kiss those sugar cravings goodbye. Constantly battling sugar cravings. That's because sugar messes with your blood sugar levels, leading to those pesky cravings. Cut out the sugar, and those cravings will vanish. Number 2. Feel fuller for longer. Sugar is a major culprit behind those nagging hunger pangs. Stabilize your blood sugar by cutting out sugar, and you'll be surprised how much less hungry you feel. Number 3, energy levels will soar. Say goodbye to that afternoon slump. Without the sugar crashes, you'll experience more sustained energy throughout the day. Number 4, watch the weight melt away. You'll shed excess water weight and fat, especially around your midsection. Get ready to say hello to a slimmer waistline. Number 5, mood boost and sharper mind. Sugar can wreak havoc on your mood and cognitive function. Cutting it out can lead to improved mood, better focus, and reduced stress. Number 6, radiant skin. Sugar can contribute to acne and inflammation. By eliminating sugar, you'll notice clearer, healthier skin. Number 7, reduced inflammation and pain. Sugar can fuel inflammation throughout your body. Cutting it out can lead to less stiffness, pain, and even a reduced risk of heart disease. Number 8, boost brain power. When you reduce sugar, your body starts using ketones for fuel. Ketones can support brain health and even stimulate the growth of new brain cells. Number 9, a healthier liver. Excess sugar can lead to fat accumulation in the liver. By reducing sugar, you can help your liver detoxify and function optimally. Number 10, improved kidney function. High sugar intake can put a strain on your kidneys. Cutting back can significantly improve kidney health and reduce your risk of complications. So, there you have it. 10 incredible benefits of ditching sugar for just 2 weeks. It's a challenge, but the results are worth it. And don't forget to check out the Healthful Hints app. It's packed with resources to support your healthy journey, including recipes, workout, ideas, and more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.